Alright, we still haven't gone into the 9th floor.
We're still waiting in the stairwell for some reason.
Still waiting in the stairwell. We're gonna have to relocate because you can see that top right there. It's not really focusing very well. The point being, I have no cell phone service.
But I do.
Oh my gosh, I just got cell phone service.
No.
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh. Looks like a battery sign.
No, that's next to the battery sign. Sweet.
Any text messages? No.
So,
We don't need to relocate.
we're not gonna relocate. We're just gonna be creepers right outside the 9th floor.
Actually, we're thinking about scaring people when they
Yeah.
come by.
We're debating whether to scare
Might get in
people.
trouble.
Don't want to get in trouble, but at the same time, we want to scare someone. And if we want to scare Sarah, she lives in the 9th floor. We just want to like crash in her room and just yell or something.
Let's do it.
But we would get in huge ass trouble.
Maybe. Okay, we would. We're scared she can beat us up.
Yeah.
That's the big thing.
So then we're like, we should scare Kalisha. She's still sleeping. It's noon. Wow, we've only been doing this for 12 minutes. Wait, no, 22. 22 minutes. 22 minutes. Math. Someone's coming. Is that Teen? Pretty sure that's Teen. Please tell me that's Teen and Sarah coming. This is not Teen's floor. It's not Teen. Sit down. False alarm. It's not somebody we knew. We were just about to scare the shit out of someone.
Let's go scare Teen.
Bust shit up. I'll text her to see. No.
Yeah, she's in the same room.
I know.
She's probably up.
Maybe. She went to bed early last night.
At least by 3.
At least, yeah, 3 in the morning, I think. No. Alright. I'll leave you with this nice picture frame of me. Goodbye.